Hello, everyone! I'm from Davao, so maayong hapon. Okay, so I have a little código here. So we are actually all lucky to be here. So pat yourself and say, good job. Amazing. Again, my name is Berna Ong, Center Head Leader of Vision to Reality Tagum Center. I have been a member in Atomy for 2 years now. And also, I'll be sharing, of course, our amazing Hemuhim pa rin. Walang kamatayang Hemuhim. So one thing for sure, kanina, our CEO mentioned yung tatlong rich. Money, friend, and time rich. And I think if we are taking Hemuhim, we are achieving it as well. Kasi aanhin mo yung pera, oras, at ano tong isa, friends, kung wala ka ring energy para i-google doon. Tama po ba? So one thing I really would love to share, kasi yung Hemuhim, it really changes my life for 2 years. Dati po, anemic po ako. Madali ho akong mahilo dahil sobrang liit ko. So anemic ako. Now, when I started taking the Hemuhim, ni minsan hindi ko na ho na-experience. Yung bang, sino nakaka-experience dito na nauupo ka lang, pagtayo mo parang lumilindol? Meron po ba dito? Taas mo kamay. Ibig sabihin ho, mababa po yung ano ninyo, yung blood. Kaya nga yung Hemuhim, nakakatulong talaga siya. So when I started using the Hemuhim, believe it or not, I play pickleball a lot. Like 2 to 3 hours. Pero saan ko kinaya? Now, I tried, nasubukan ko nakalimutan uminom ng Hemuhim. Naglaro ako ng pickleball, para siyang lawn tennis, badminton, at saka parang ping-pong. After mga 30 minutes, pagod na ako. But with Hemuhim, I don't know what's with this product, pero 2 to 3 hours, nakakapaglaro ako. Ganun katagal nawawala yung pagod mo pag nag-Hemuhim ka. Okay? So it really fights fatigue and it boosts our immune system. Now, Hemuhim won't be a flagship product of Atomy for nothing. Kaya siya flagship product because talagang sobrang ganda niya. Remember, yung Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute ang mismong nag-research at nag-develop ng product na to. It's a government entity in Korea. Dun pa lang, you can really trust. Mga scientists, mga PhD yung mga nagre-research nito. Now, one thing I would love to share a little bit, may mga napamember na ako na nakatry ng Hemuhim. Meron akong isang member na galit. Pinatay ko ng Hemuhim, tumawag sa akin. Kasi when she started taking the Hemuhim, parati siyang nauuhaw. Uhaw na uhaw siya parati. Yun pala ang problema niya. She doesn't poop regularly. But when she started taking the Hemuhim, pinapainom siya ng tubig ng Hemuhim. So the Hemuhim is actually looking for whatever imbalance that we have in our body, iko-correct niya. Okay? And then, another one is, kumbaga, parati siyang, meron siyang bukol. In 2 weeks lang, napapansin na niya lumiliit. Sabi ko, magic ba yan? No. Ano bang nagagawa ng Hemuhim? Hemo stands for hemoglobin. The H is hematopoiesis. Yung hematopoiesis po, it's yung blood production. So if we are regularly taking the Hemuhim, para din po tayo nagsa-stem cell. Napapalitan niya parati ng fresh yung blood cells natin. Kaya nagtatrabaho yung immune system natin. So kanina, present yung natural killer cells, at saka yung white and red blood cells. So yun po ang nagtatrabaho para yung katawan natin gumagaling. So if we are taking the Hemuhim, inside po yung trabaho niya. Kaya lumalabas po siya outside. So please, wag ho nating tipirin yung health natin. Kasi aanhin natin yung pera, yung oras, kung wala tayo niyon, kung poor tayo sa health natin. So, and the last thing, the last product is, of course, our lip glow. Ayan, ito yung pangalawa. Yung lip glow, it's really nice sa lips natin. It makes our lips more kissable. Soft siya sa lips, magaan siyang gamitin. Now, if we feel good, if we look beautiful, we feel good. Tama po ba? And if we feel good, we love to do a lot. We can do more. Kasi nga maganda ang pakiramdam natin, maganda ang health natin, gumaganda tayo, at unti-unti yumayaman tayo sa Atomy. So, let's go Atomy! Aja, aja!